everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn what a database is. A database is a structural connection of data that is organized in a way that enables efficient storage, retrieval and manipulation of information. Databases are used in a wide range of applications from simple data storage systems to complex business processes. Let us see 10 lines on what a database is. A database is a software system that is designed to manage data. It is used to store, organize, and retrieve information. Databases can be used to manage any type of data such as customer information, financial data, or inventory data. Data in a database is stored in tables which are made up of rows and columns. Each row in a table represents a record and each column represents a field. Databases are often used in conjunction with software applications to manage and manipulate data. They can be accessed by multiple users simultaneously and provide secure access control. Databases can be designed to scale up or down based on the amount of data being stored and the number of users accessing it. They can be backed up and restored in case of data loss or system failure. Databases are an essential component of many modern information systems, enabling efficient data management and analysis. This is all about database. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.